Hello everyone, I'm Elisabetta, and in this video you'll see how to fix the error that say product SKU code matches other products in your Nembol account. If you're seeing this error, don't worry, it's an easy fix. It usually means that two or more products inside Nembol share the same SKU code of the product you want to import. You can find the message by downloading the error report from your Activities tab. To solve it, just make sure that each product has a unique SKU code. Start from copying the SKU code and pasting it into the search bar. Then select all the products with the same SKU code and export them as a CSV file. Open the file and assign a unique SKU code to each product, then save and re-import it into Nembol. After that, every product has different SKU code. So you only need to import again your products from your desired channel. You will see that the product will be imported without any error. Hope you liked this video. If there's something you'd like us to talk about in future videos, let us know in the comments. If you need any assistance, feel free to contact our customer support team. See you in the next video. Wishing you a great day and successful sales. Bye-bye.